With Maximo Field Service Management, you can increase first-time fix rates, improve technician productivity to reduce response times, and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's see how it works. The scheduling dashboard helps maintenance managers effectively plan, execute, and monitor field service activities by providing intuitive visualizations about resource utilization and availability. The color-coded heat map helps identify where there's extra capacity to take on more work and where capacity has been exceeded. Navigate to resource leveling to see how work orders are distributed. Each work order's expected duration and priority level are also displayed. As assignments are made, the optimized scheduling capability built into Maximo automatically ensures that high-priority work is completed first. The dispatching dashboard places key information in a single space, including schedules, the percentage of utilization, and the number of assignments, resources, and emergencies. From here, unassigned emergencies can be prioritized. Maximo delivers top resource recommendations, which guide maintenance managers toward the technician's best fit for each job based on distance, start time, and craft. Once the emergency is prioritized, the technician receives a push notification with updates. The dispatching dashboard also includes an interactive timeline. It dynamically updates as the planned work progresses. That helps pinpoint technicians that need assistance and others that might have extra capacity.